Quantum actually saved us. Wow.
We must let Rivet and Kit know.
The Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
Alright then, we're here. You ladies go ahead and explore around. Me and Toad are gonna find this male Precure, who will return back as you speak.
furious.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the secropede and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off.
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, Kit. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
迷う時もみんなを励まし未来へ輝く。そうだ、それがプリキュアだ。キュア・アンフィニ。それが僕の名前かな。
キュア・アーフィニ
Rivet! It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. I put a lot of thought into it. I hope you don't mind I watch from a distance. I'm just exhausted from eliminating your allies.
I've seen better resisting, to be honest.
A lot of talk for a hologram.
Why would I waste my energy fighting? You and your fellow rebels will soon be a memory, along with this sludgy excuse for a planet.
Sargasso needs to Sargass go.
What is it about Lombax is that makes them so persistent?
Our counterpart is even more annoying.
What do you hope to do? Release that ramshackle secopede? How quaint your little mind must be.
Just you wait, Lambert. There are big expensive plans in store for Sargasso.
Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise now.
So, when I was with Clank, he...
It is just like what I imagined.
Kit? Oh, Kit! Oh, you're all right. What happened to Clank?
Is traveling to Argolis with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh. So that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu.
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mush, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Huh?